Welcome to the Southwest Virginia Alliance for Manufacturing's Made in Southwest Virginia podcast, where we aim to educate listeners on the many impacts of manufacturing in Southwest Virginia. Today's episode is part of our ongoing series in which we deep dive into specific companies making worldwide impacts. We often hear there's nothing happening in Southwest Virginia. I've even felt that myself, but as I learned more about Southwest Virginia's manufacturers, I realized that couldn't be further from the truth. Contrary to some perceptions, Southwest Virginia is a hub of innovation and manufacturing, producing world-class products integral to people and companies around the globe. From automotive components to advanced electrical systems, our local manufacturers are driving technological advancements and economic growth on an international scale. Today, our spotlight is on Real Performance Machinery, a leading manufacturer of advanced purpose-built equipment for sawmills and the timber processing industry. Let's dive into their operations and contributions to both the local community and the broader market. Founded in 2018, Real Performance Machinery is headquartered in Independence, Virginia. The company specializes in designing and manufacturing high-value, technologically advanced machinery tailored for primary and secondary breakdown processing in lumber mills. Their product line includes innovative solutions like the ProDog N-Dogger, Pro-Cancer 4-sided canter, and Pro-Saw curve profiling gang, all engineered to enhance efficiency and precision in wood processing. For the everyday consumer, this means that the lumber used in construction, furniture, and various wood products is processed far more efficiently and sustainably thanks to the advanced machinery developed right here in Southwest Virginia. Beyond their technological advancements, Real Performance Machinery is deeply committed to safety, quality, and community engagement. The company maintains rigorous quality control standards through in-house calibration programs, layer audits, and the implementation of 5S methodologies. Safety is paramount with comprehensive training in first aid, CPR, and forklift operation, contributing to a notable reduction in workplace accidents. RPM also invests in the local community by supporting education, sports, and events, as well as offering apprenticeships and scholarships for students. Their supportive work environment, recognition programs, and encouragement of further education exemplify their dedication to employee well-being and regional development. If you'd like to learn more about Real Performance Machinery and their range of innovative solutions, check the show notes or visit their website at rpmachinery.com. That's rpmachinery.com. That's it for today's episode of Made in Southwest Virginia. Join us next time as we continue to highlight the innovative spirit of Southwest Virginia's manufacturing sector. Until then,